What is up, everybody, and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we are inside a very, very special car. This is the 2025 Porsche Spyder RS. Now, this engine is derived from the GT3, but this being a mid-engine configuration rather than a rear. The exhaust experience has always been a little bit lackluster from the factory with these Spyder RSs. So as for the configuration that is on the car today in this video, we have the factory headers, the factory manifolds, we have the stock over axle pipes as well, and we have our proprietary Valve Sport exhaust on the rear section. Our goal was not volume. At the end of the day, our goal was pitch. Like I said before, we're chasing after that GT3 sound, and to do that, we need the crossover. So when the valves are open on this rear section, it goes through a large crossover X pipe, really brings out that razor sharp F1 sound, that high pitch, as you'd hear on a GT3, but when the valves are closed, it goes through the chambered muffler. If you didn't know with these cars, if you own one, you definitely do know that there is a lot of noise inside the cabin, even with the factory exhaust. So with the valves closed in our rear section, it's actually quieter than the factory exhaust system, which is something that we really wanted to chase after just because of all of the sounds that are going on inside of this Spyder RS. You have all the induction noise right at both of your ears, and you have a little bit of drone coming from the engine and the exhaust configuration. We're here to mitigate that and make sure that we have the audible experience perfected. So valves closed, we're gonna open them up.